Hi, my name is Heather, and today we're going to check out IngramSpark's new shareable purchase links. You can have these links that you can share with your audience so that you can sell the books directly from IngramSpark. This is amazing because when you have IngramSpark push to the different retailers, including Amazon, then you're just kind of dividing the price even more, so you get less of a cut. But this way, you're going to get a bigger cut when you sell it directly from IngramSpark. I'm going to go to the e-commerce tab, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and check the I accept e-commerce terms of service and click begin today. You'll find your books listed here. So I have just the one, and I'm going to click create link. I'm going to give my link a name, and this is a name just for me. So I'll just call it Platy's Perfect Day. And then I can set the purchase price here. I have it set for $15 from Amazon, so that would give me $7.65. But actually, I'm excited that I can go lower now. So let's just do $12, and then I'll get $4.65. That sounds like a good price to me. Do you want to limit the number of orders per link? This is the actual link that I'm sharing. So say you have like 3 orders through that one link, then you could limit it to 3, and then no one else could order. So I'm going to say no because I want as many people to be able to order as possible. And then for limiting the number of books per order, I'll just leave it at the maximum of 25 per order. Sounds good to me. And the date range, I'm not going to set that because I just want it to be active forever. Okay, I'm going to click generate link, and it needs a verification code. So I'll go ahead and do that. Now it's giving you the option of either downloading a QR code or copying an HTML embed tag. This is really good for printed items, so you could put this QR code like on a flyer or your business card or something like that. And then this is really good just to drop into your website. And then here's a link that I can just share like via email or something. I'm going to check this box that says send the QR code, HTML tag, and link via email. And that way I'll have those and I can just grab them from the email easily. So I'm going to click done, and then let's go ahead and check out this link and see what it looks like. Here's my link for my book, and it has the extra content that I actually put in here. So Amazon doesn't pull this extra content up, but I actually put these in the HTML of the book description. I can show you how to do that in a future video. But this is really awesome. So then people can just add it to their cart, view cart, and they can change the quantity here. Everything looks good. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or as always, you can email me at heather@heathercash.com. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.